mache ngoro ko papa antivirus umumuri ko koleta chingero butambe ko ritko ya Jumatatu oika Ijumaa kurusa 11 mpaka nseme ya Marogoba umwancho ndireti no maiteke tseni geto nambe yamo Ndizi TV wasuwo mu Gusii ase litoka ligo toka lingazu litoka ngo kunywere cyane litoka ngo kurira mukuma so wasuro bolo kunye kuriye papa kole na papa
umerana na papa antivirus ime ya Ndizi TV uwansu womo Gusii.
Lituko neria Jumaine jitariki 14 mumutinyino y'ikomi umwaka w'igirubere meronge bere nebere kero cyaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere emesane ya mangana maya getasene Ndizi TV ngwerere bari abana gukwarira nyase kinga kekiga owerinde oikaranso ikengwerena naralia lito endete kusangiri kurulia kete goikaboniga no kubori kwana na irachiga kichao chabene oyatengere na kumanyana naralia lito endete kusangiri kurulia kete goikaboniga nyurana nabako tubwate sensemeli ye mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News Digital oiga sensemo ya YouTube nabako tonyora Ndizi TV News okonyora chinga kito tweet @Ndizi TV News po kerenkel kyao yotokere ndikire sakireta kagwetera senamba irase screen yao anne krolitko ulialero ense egendete gucengera gusikuinyura rituko ry'umwana umunyaruka erimegede na World Girl Child Day ekaruyende gucengirwa nabali kwito mbanda gusangiriria gusikubwatiri tukerio karumuri kwito amisi arasensemeri ya nyansanja kerababwatani au bagendete gucengira rituke na ukwanira cinjera bakobeka eriko konya umwana umunyaruka ase okogendera kunirwa gusikumuye Russia asensemeri yo kunirwa iyo nakore ne asenjera ya bene yora sensemeri y'umuntu wemanyirerio nigakorokwa Joshua niliane Brighton Makori. Aya Isano na Ibere ni otugonja kurwa sensemeri ya Nyamira ekerobono amakumia na mayanda endete kubwata eskuru ya banyaruka ya rangenyo anene kero mwarimu omonene bwe eskuru ya nyarde kago siri obogima bwayo muswati oyo ni ganyarde kago ikera makweli aye anekere otebekana muna Lydia Onyoni oyikonye orumworokia monene bwe eskuru eyo nigo aikumereta makweli aye kerere tukikasenya gitari ya wasisi ya buri tukurigoro ekere otebekana niga saganetwe n'abantu ase skuru eyo murikito cyo mangi nagendete gutusangiriria nagendete kutubwateringa neri korende natutumira agendete kwene kiwase skuru eyo hanene kerasanga n'abayiboli n'aboroki wamo n'aboroki bande be skuru eyo
Makori nkuru kurwase kinyoro kya nyansanda no ndangena se skuru eyo eskuru yenga unechirani yani nje no moiboli bwe skuru ya sabana na so milioni oyo kana bonorororo kolenda inaro lire bona ya asa umwalimu wango sirimono ekyagero umwalimu ito konyorora biri skuru ito yabire skuru no ane njera gocho kwanera abana na boibo
te kosi ayo kodane konyorotara manyabo ntu ikine mayego tumanyanga madam ito na kyagosira kogera madam ya sa usire skuru yeiga na tambe sana
tiga serikali ito enyare ko bagekurigereri mono igoro y'abantu bagoitwa abantu bagucherba kaga iyo sukuru eyo mochigo gitire mono sa
nege korukyo goichania senseme yo korende nto semeretu nebyombe byoborendi mbiji kwena kyobo tukyo korubire birerengi ringanira nyaradiri okorekana senseme yo ya Nyamira kato kwena ikase county ya Kisii nigo to kumayobune kyombe kyanat nigo bono kyanyarege ko okoboko omurayi bwense Dr. William Ruto anekera nyarade gakobeka task force yego jikoringolia igoro gosikoriria igoro yo muroberi OCBC bakurawa na Kennedy Nyamwanda oyoro mokonyi bwumugaji bwe kyombe kyane na sensemeri ya national nigo bana batebirina abarabu nigo bachikwena na ebirengere byabo igoro yo muroberi oyo gokyase ekyombe kyo kyanyarege koroswa no murayi bwense.
And we support His Excellency the President for coming up with a very strong task force comprising of renowned educationists who are going to look at this CBC critically and look at the weaknesses. And remember, as KNUT, even from the word go, we raised some issues about this CBC. There were some gray areas which were supposed to be addressed, which were never addressed. But this is a good opportunity for us. As a union, we have come up with a team of experts who are going to come up with a report which we shall present to the task force in due course about this CBC. So we support the task force and we are ready to give our views concerning this CBC, and we hope we shall come out with a revived education system.
Omwe mzie wodi ya Liana yego toka sebunge ya Bonchari Victor Mbasa nikabona nyareka wa keraba menyi benseme ibinambu ya soko mojora endaje bakorera emeremo asemya 5 eribusyo kakwana nigalire ira yuko chikoreta magendero ase wodi ya Liana boigo nigerete libaga lyabene kumwakera mbia umugabana we county ya Kisii Paulo Simbarati anena asobo koreri bwaya cha kirobuya anekero achakiro kurwa mariogo guchesnya gitari au nako yabeka senjera yege digitali gosa senjera yeke rero endetanyara gakoibwa
Jeno mwando Mbasa Victor omo MCA ochoru kurwe wodi ya Liana tigangira nafasi yeye gwakira abantu baminto bonsi bariana aso gwancha kongakira chikura so bonge rina nyara ko omo MCA obo kana ari kuri chikura na ari tichira nganko cha kono kwa na renge gasi yongo sabanyasaya ambwatsi elinde chira chirina ariete ase wodi ya Liana nyara go chikirania amangana ya mache abantu baito banyara mache chipara chetu kirose kubuya na chibasari gavana county yeito kuruchi basari abana baito banyara chibasari ele bagenda gosoma mu gavana na batagete abantu baito banyara mariogo na ende igachagete kurwa mariogo ayo esencherere ngie kiagara iganya bekete chitraka tracker na koko teba amariogo munaru at level 6 agaikase sub county district hospital igale tracked igo ndiko chigotwara mangana ali obukurumi yo weibi ama abantu baito batara kanyana mariogo sinyakitari cyabo mariogo ari kuru kemsa ataraje wikaji dispensary kwanyora ibiru nchira igo tatuko iri nafasi yo wakera omo governor ito Paul Simbarati asega sengia kolire na ntwe soko tutumia muna ba MCA okorega siyengia ase chigwatche
Hekero bono to endete gutigara sebunge ya Bonchari nikabona abamenyi na bonjuri kurwa sejiro ya suneka bagendete kurombia na nene komochia anenekere chiro ya jagete kwagachwa se miaka 5 ni 3 etaraera goikabono bagukwana no bakurabo no munyakonda Richard Moindi oyuete kwagacha chire yo ni gaereire ngikiagerete chire ya teneneta se miaka 5 ni 3 ya erire ekiagera ni gobokoreri butara korekana buya ese abonjoroni badari konyara siba kondi mtu bya basensemeyo
itwa Richard Muindi Ombati nafanya na Seboka General Construction Company ambao ndio contractor ambayo ilikuwa inafanya kazi ya Suneka Market and Pass Park tenda ambao tulikuwa tumepewa the year 2014-2015 contract ingechukua mwaka moja, lakini kwa shauri nilipata shida kulipwa kutoka kwa county government ya Kisii. Hii kazi iliweza kufifia, ingeweza kuendelea. Saa ile nilikuwa nadai maripo yangu. County chini ya Governor James Ongwae waliweza kukataa na ikanibidi kwenda arbitration.
Asinga gejeje ni gobono Richard Moindi oyibono orengo munyakonda bwo kwagacha chire nyalika kumuboli mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Paulo Simbarati koira ringaneria soko boko kwaye eriko mokonya chibesiri atumeta subwagaji boigo anyareka okora obwagachi bwe chire iyo eri abamenyi bensemeyo na bonjoreri banyare bagokonyeka asobonjoreri bwabo.
Na hiyo kesi imeendelea hata kwa ugumu, lakini imeisha the year 2021. Vile imeisha May 2021, hata wa leo sijapata kulipwa. Kwa hivyo saa hii mimi naomba His Excellency Paul Simbarati, namuomba aweze kunilipa pesa zangu, kwa sababu biashara nilikuwa nafanya imeanguka kabisa. Niko nyumbani, watoto wangu hawana kazi, hawana biashara, hakuna sasa wanafanya. I'm very much frustrated na nimekuwa stressed, hata imenifanya hata nikabuild high blood pressure. Kwa hivyo naomba Mheshimiwa His Excellency Governor wetu Simbarati aweze kunisaidia ili nirudi kwa biashara yangu ambao nilikuwa nafanya ambaye imeanguka.
Hekero liri ligendete gunchiriria nene krabaote climate ni gobono magavana bwe county ya Kisii Paulo Simbarati anyare kaote abuna amangana na takere kubego semero berni takere kubekwa irira chigokonya ekero lire ligunjuka nene kratebra no nekere mbredari gotu ase county ya Kisii emero berni takere kubekwa no inga kya macha gujutoka mo nemero belio endeniga ya kwanza ya litukuregoro ekero alinga ase county ya Kisii anene kregeta sensemeli ya darajange na dajambiri nyambera krabar kurusi bia senseme yukwenda kwanda igoro yogo chenji kwelire.
Not been affected so much, but when it rains it goes for so long than it was before. What are we expecting that myself and my team, first we want to restore our rainy areas, all of them. Given a Kisii is more of a rural slum. How do we turn it around, because we don't have even land itself? But we are prepared. For the 5 years we are in office, for now, we will make attempt. We'll put in place proper institutional structure that anybody who comes before us and after us will have a framework to work from.
Umurai bwense Dr. William Ruto ngati yabarai bali banyara bawikirana asomo sankano bwa Nairobi Exchange gose Nairobi Security Exchange abwa sanyara ka ukwana abune serikali ne chikubwaterana ne byombe binde erikwena kuna bokorali nkokorekana bole obuya sense to ya Kenya ne sense meli yo bonjori ka ukwana ni gatogiri emirobiri yo akaraba bwatani aba bayikirana sense meyo bayikirate abuna abantu bonsi mbatakere gosirwa erikwemuke birengo byuchumi ya sense ya Kenya.
I do not need any evidence beyond what James Mwangi has said or beyond what Safaricom have told us. There is demonstrable evidence that in the stock market there is potential for us to raise the resources that today we are struggling to raise using debt instruments, using instruments that we are looking for in foreign capitals, debt what we are looking for multilateral institutions. That money that we are so desperately looking for out there, with proper instruments, we can get those resources from the people of Kenya through the Nairobi Stock Exchange. And I look forward from where I sit to government of Kenya raising more resources for our development using this NSC. I look forward to many Kenyans having the opportunity to buy, to sell, and to grow their wealth using the Nairobi Exchange. I look forward, for example, to that border guy. When waiting for the next customer, he is trading on his phone.
Omowasiri w'egisemi Professor George Magoha nigo bono agenderere gotogia abarimu gosaborokia b'egisukuru anenekero bagendete gukora emirimo yabo buya nigatebiruna eserikali netakeire kubasira none ekiombekeri gekorika abarimu erikwenda kibona obokoreri bwa abarimu gosaborokia ngogendera buri buya asense ya Kenya boigo nigairari bageria bene komwakera omurayi bwense nambuye mono ase ogotarusya omoroberio CBC korende akabeke task force iyo chikuria omoroberio yo o CBC.
Honoring our teachers, because from 2016, our teachers have given their very best. And you can't tell me that you can pay for getting people out of their beds at 4 o'clock, at 5 o'clock in the morning, and regimenting them to do exams. First of all, they set the exams, they moderate them, and they mark them on time. Who can pay you for that kind of work? So please, with humility, stop singing about money. You can sing the other one. But when you say money, you're making yourself a little bit... for example, the government is already spending 25.9%. And I heard the president promising us, when we met him at one time, that he is indeed going to employ the teachers that he promised to employ. Which means our government is going to spend more than 30% of the national budget on education, isn't it? And we should look at this in a more holistic manner.
Ayuna na korene se jinse jiga korene nyona chikora ga Chinsa 14 chabono mwasunu chukanyora bya mona mange ekero aindete gwateka imina isiko ya usino kubori kwa nagenda kurira ndi Stephen Robwansu bomugusi oyorenga sense mirinde yo munwe monyererio ni gakoro kwa Joshua Uta yoene kiona chibichana mariga go chira senjera ya bene John Kebati Nigeria ne Brighton Makori.